all PCB students need to be aware about this one particular career. Especially if you do not want to become a doctor, or if you really think that you will not be able to clear NEET exam. This one particular career is very high in demand and has very little supply, and that's why students in India are earning up to rupees 20 lakh per annum, and students outside India are even earning up to $2 lakh per year, which is equivalent to 1.8 CR per annum. Hi friends, this is Keshav Jain from Career Scouts International. I welcome you at my channel. In this video, I'll talk with medical students, especially who has taken PCB combination in 11th and 12th standard. All PCB students need to be aware about this one particular career. Especially if you do not want to become a doctor, or if you really think that you will not be able to clear NEET exam. This one particular career is very high in demand and has very little supply, and that's why students in India are earning up to rupees 20 lakh per annum, and students outside India are even earning up to $2 lakh per year, which is equivalent to 1.8 CR per annum. Can you imagine a career where you are able to guide a parent about the health risk of their unborn child, or even before the child is born? Imagine this particular career which takes only 6 years for you to become a professional. Just 6 years instead of 10 to 12 years of becoming a doctor of repute. I am talking about a career in the field of genetic counseling. India produces millions of doctors and engineers year after year, but there are less than 1,000 genetic counselors in our country. Just 1,000 in the country of 150 crores people. That's 1,000 genetic counselors are there in our country. That's why there is too much of demand, very little supply, and that is the reason why your child will be able to make a lot of money inside this career and a satisfaction too. So, if you are a PCB student who does not want to become a doctor, or does not want to write NEET exam even, but you really want to make a career combining your knowledge of biology and love for psychology, you must consider genetic counseling as a career. And this is what you need to understand. Take PCB with psychology, physics, chemistry, biology combination with the psychology with the fourth combination. If you are CBSE or ICSE student, then you must take PCB with psychology. But take biology as HL, chemistry HL, and psychology HL if you are into international board. And if you are in A-level kids, just take biology with psychology. That's it. After that, what you need to do in BSc in genetics or BSc in life sciences, because this is one career which requires you to have knowledge of genetics. Combine it with your knowledge of psychology and start guiding and counseling parents on the health risk of their unborn child. If you really want to make a lot of money, if you really want to make a career with satisfaction, then you might want to do an MSc in genetic counseling, followed by your BSc. This particular degree is available in Manipal and a lot of other universities in India, and is definitely available in the best of the universities outside India even. Be it Harvard, be it Carnegie Mellon, be it Johns Hopkins, be it UC Berkeley, or even UCL and Imperial College London in UK. After doing your genetic counseling, you might be able to work for healthcare companies, IVF clinics, fertility clinics, and even start your own genetic counseling practice. So, the fact of the matter is, there are amazing careers available for PCB students, which do not require you to write NEET exam or even become a doctor, and one of them is genetic counseling. Save this video for your future use and share it with every PCB student that you know of. because genetic counseling is the future and there is a lot of money to be made in less than 6 years after grade 12 rather than 10 to 12 years that you would require to become a doctor of repute. To get more updates and to know more about this career, please comment in the comment section of this YouTube video. And along with that, अगर आप एक वीडियो और देखना चाहते हैं जिसमें जेनेटिक काउंसलर और मेडिकल फील्ड का डायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन हो, हर फील्ड में कंपैरिजन हो, तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो वही आने वाली है. जस्ट प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट व्हेनेवर आई पोस्ट दिस वीडियो आपको एकदम से वीडियो मिले और आप मिस ना कर जाएं. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.